In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. First things first, the first step is to open the card and the description editor. You'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. Head over to the Trello homepage and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up. Once you're logged in, find the board you want to work on. Click on it to open it up. And from there, you'll need to locate any card where you'd like to add or update some text. When you find that card, go ahead and click on it. In the card, look for the description section and click on Edit. This will open up the text editor where you can now start formatting your text. Now let's talk about using the formatting toolbar. At the top of the description box, you'll see a toolbar appear. This is really handy because it allows you to apply various styles to your text without needing to remember complicated markdown codes. Let's break down some of the options available to you. First, if you want to emphasize certain points, you can make text bold or italic. Simply highlight the text you want to change and then click on the bold or italic options. This is particularly useful for drawing attention to key instructions, deadlines, or any important details that you don't want to get overlooked. Next up is organizing your content effectively. You'll notice options for lists in that toolbar as well. You can create bullet lists or numbered lists, which is perfect for neatly organizing tasks, requirements, or step-by-step instructions. Just click the bullet list or numbered list option and start typing out your items. Trello will handle the formatting for you. You can also enhance the text with headings. Using heading styles helps break up long descriptions into more digestible chunks. You can have large section titles for main topics and use smaller headings for subsections. This not only makes your descriptions easier to read, but it also helps others quickly find the information they're looking for. And if you want to include external resources, Trello makes that super simple too. Just highlight the text you want to convert into a hyperlink, click the link icon in the toolbar, and paste your URL. This creates a clickable hyperlink, allowing anyone with access to the card to easily jump to those useful documents or additional resources. Once you're finished with all your formatting and are satisfied with how it looks, the final step is to save your changes. Just click on the Save button, and voila! Your description will now show all of the formatting you applied. Bold text, lists, and links, all intact and ready for anyone viewing the card. So there you have it. Formatting text in Trello is straightforward once you get the hang of it. As you implement these tips, you'll find that your boards become much more organized and user-friendly. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found these tips helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Happy Trelloing!